Welcome back to the channel, good friends. I thought I would share with you how I benefit from the results of combining Hydrate 80 and Atomac from Bilt Hamber. I will get into and share what these products are and what they can do. But as you can hear and see, it forms a rock-hard layer of protection for the undercarriage of your vehicle or motorcycle or truck or RV. We are tidying some small things here up on the Jaguar F-Type to finish it up. Although mostly aluminum, there are some pieces back here, and I'll show you, that they have outsourced. JLR or Jaguar Land Rover has outsourced to India, and it unfortunately is a low-grade steel and metal. And while I think about if I want a metal shop to fabricate these pieces for me and just replace them, I want to protect what is there, prep and protect them. And that is exactly what we're going to do today with Atomac and the Hydrate 80 from Bilt Hamber. Now I've already done a few pieces just to see how it would go, see how it cures, see what it looks like, and I'm liking what I'm seeing. So we're going to continue on, and I'm going to show you just on this one little piece here exactly what we want to do. Starting to rust, just surface rust that's blistering the paint. So we want to remove the blistered paint, and we want to agitate and scrape the area and remove as much of the rust as we can. You can use a bead blaster. I used to have a bead blaster that blasted cocoa shells, and it did a fantastic job. You can also use a dry ice machine. All of that stuff I got rid of to make room for the PPF and wrap equipment. If you're into that stuff, yeah, you want to collect tools and machinery that can assist you and make this work quick and easy. But I'm just going to do it manually here with a scraper and a brush. Still, no big deal. So at this point we have the loose blistered paint for the most part removed, and anything left over we'll take care of with the wire brush, which is coming up next. That's all we need to do. Let's jump to the Hydrate 80, which will neutralize and prohibit rust from regressing any further. We're going to open this up and I'll show you what this looks like. It's a milky light blue color, and what you want to do is grab this foam brush here or a paintbrush or anything that you can use to, a sponge maybe, anything that you can use to brush or dab the product and get it from the can here to the steel pieces or metal pieces that you want to protect. Without getting too far into the science of it, it provides powerful protection to rusted steel surfaces and surfaces that are actually in good shape. It will protect them. It stabilizes existing corrosion by converting iron oxides. And it will also then layer and coat and prohibit any environmental or conditions that will cause rusting or induce rusting. So basically it deprives the area of oxygen and H2O, which is a lethal combination, especially if you drive on salted roads and add sodium to the mix as well. It's terrible for cheaper low-grade metal such as this. What's neat about the product, after this step, by the way, you're going to apply 2 coats. We're going to run the foam brush this way, and then the second coat will run on a 90-degree angle from the way we brushed on the first coat. 2 layers, and then you can paint on top of it. You can also sand it flat if it has any type of texture, unwanted texture. From this angle, you can see the sheen as there's a layer of the product that is getting to work on that rusted area, prohibiting the spread of that horrible cancer. Let's jump to a tarmac and how that can be an excellent second layer for this combination of protection here. A tarmac is sprayed onto the surface compared to how we got Hydrate 80. And any container you put it in, you want 5% of the product, the rest deionized water. In a 16-ounce spray bottle, the first half inch is the product and the rest is water. You can team it up with a pressure washer, you could put it in a sprayer, you could put it in a foam gun, as long as you have that 5% mixture, and I'll let you do the math on that. You can spray the hole underneath of your car, get it in all of the areas that moisture could sit in and lay, and rust can start. A tarmac is a migratory contact corrosion inhibitor, and it is sprayed on and it will cure to a clear coating. As you can see here, this is after a few hours of cure time. Cure time basically overnight. I'm going to let it go the rest of the afternoon and let it sit overnight, and then continue on with normal activities in the morning. There are some other things I would like to take care of now on the Jaguar F-Type, but that was a thorn on my side, and I am relieved to have taken care of it. A lot of progress has been made. This is practically protected bumper to bumper at this point, with just some other small issues I'd like to take care of. Next, I'm going to be servicing it, replacing all of the air filters. They do recommend every 15,000 miles, but there's no dipstick. So I do it every 7,000 miles because you burn through oil naturally and you can't keep track of that oil with no dipstick. So it's time, and we're going to get that done next. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.